Hi, my name is Jamie Clews from Metcalfe Catering Equipment, and today we're going to show you how to make coleslaw using the HALLDE CC-34. So to start with, we're going to slice the cabbage on a 4mm slicer, and then we'll come back to the core of the cabbage and the carrots. We've now changed the 4mm slicer in our HALLDE CC-34 for a 4mm grater, which we're now going to put the carrots through to mix in with our coleslaw mix. The core of the cabbage, we would normally throw this away. We're also going to put through the 4mm grater to mix in with our coleslaw mix. By using the core, you're saving 1 in every 8 cabbages. And then we'll put it all through. So now we have our beautiful grated cabbage core, carrot and sliced cabbage. You can see how it perfectly just fit into coleslaw mix and you wouldn't know it was the core. Now to finish this off, we're going to add our aquafabia vegan mayonnaise, which we've made in a previous video. So there we have it, our zero waste vegan aquafabia coleslaw made in our HALLDE CC-34.